Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a clear goal. Start Task Scheduler and pick Create Basic Task. Name the task so you'll recognize it later, then choose a trigger that matches when you want it to run. For example, pick Daily and set the start time and recurrence. Once done, Task Scheduler knows when to launch the task. Make sure the schedule aligns with your system's active hours so the task won't be missed. Now configure what the task will actually do. Pick Start a Program and enter the exact executable path or script. Add any command line arguments and specify the start in folder so relative paths resolve correctly. Then move to Conditions. Enable or disable network requirements, idle restrictions, and power options to prevent runs on battery if undesired. Once you've set these, switch to Settings to control retries, timeouts, and whether the task can review the summary carefully, making sure the user account and security options match your needs. Choose Run whether user is logged on if you want unattended execution. Click Finish to save, then right-click the new task and select Run to verify it executes as expected. If things go wrong, enable Task History and inspect the last run result. A common fix is correcting the program path or granting the account file permissions, so check those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.